One more sunny day ahead? Yes, please. We're going to get that as we move into the week ahead. We've got a lot of sunshine and dry weather to tell you about, and the temperatures are going to warm up a little bit more, but not yet. We're actually going to cool a few degrees first tomorrow. As we get going in our Friday, we'll have an increase of cloud cover, especially in the morning. So the high temperature we had today of 68 degrees, we're going to be a little cooler than that, but awfully close to the same thing just because the air mass has been warming up nicely. But we're above the average, and the tree pollen is at moderate today. We'll expect to continue with some tree pollen here for the next several days. Temperatures overnight, thanks to this warmer air mass, only in the low 40s. Most of us will hover in the 40s overnight, but we'll have increasing clouds coming in from the north. High pressure will keep us dry, but the cloud cover will bring us a little bit cooler weather too. Now, early Saturday morning, we're forecasting some sprinkles or a little light drizzle, especially in the mountains and the foothills or near the Canadian border. But higher pressure is backing off, and that's allowing a little disturbance to roll past us to the north. Mainly it takes its cool air into East Cascades, but here to the west, we'll just maybe get a few sprinkles. As you can see on the University of Washington high-resolution model, it doesn't show us any rain, but it definitely shows us the clouds. Starting with tomorrow morning, cloud cover is nice and thick from Seattle northward and all along the coast. But then as we get to later in the day, the clouds start to increase for all of us. We'll still call it partly sunny, but the real disturbance rolling through brushes by us early Saturday morning. So we will be cloudier with that risk of a sprinkle or two. In the mountains, we're going to be nice and sunny, but in the lowlands, partly sunny, and temperatures in the low 60s for Seattle southward, and mainly in the mid to upper 50s for the north interior. So morning clouds, partly sunny skies Friday, high 62 at SeaTac, upper 50s on Saturday. Thanks to the clouds, will be a little cooler, but Easter Sunday, morning clouds will clear for more sunshine, and we're going to start warming up, getting right back to clear skies Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with temperatures climbing from the mid-60s up into the low 70s by Wednesday. And then on Thursday, onshore wind comes back to give us our natural cooling from the Pacific Ocean. So it does look like a very toasty forecast. What's surprising is it's spring, and we've got 7 dry days in a row.